All right, welcome back to another G Auto repair video. And this video is about noises when you turn on the AC. Have you ever turned on or been in a car where you turn on the AC and it starts to like make this horrible noise in the lower glove box area and some vibration and stuff like that? Well, that is the issue we're having here. And just so you guys can see, I put the AC on full speed, and you can hear, you might be able to hear it. And if you touch right here, you can feel a slight vibration. Okay. And it's really noisy. Normally that's due to debris and stuff accumulating inside the blower motor itself, and causing the blower motor to become unbalanced, and then that's what causes that noise. So fairly easy to repair. You just got to clean it, and to do that, I put you guys here too. So you guys can see basically what we have to do here is lower the blower motor assembly, and this varies from year, make, model. This happens to be a 2002 Dodge pickup, and it's right here, fairly easy to get to. Normally it's only 3 bolts or screws that hold it up there. And let me start with the one in the back, and this is a T25 screw. Is a Torx. Sometimes they're just regular style screws. In this case they're Torx. So we're gonna take these 3 out. Already took one. This one is back here. Okay, let me get a close-up shot. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. So there's 3 of them. Okay, and this is the last one right here. Support it with your hand, and then we just let it fall gently. See, we got leaves and all type of junk in there, and that's what makes that noise. And depending on how much crap is in here, it'll really vibrate. This one wasn't vibrating too much, but it was definitely causing a noise. So we're gonna kind of just stick our hand in here and make sure there's no other debris and stuff in here. You also want to be kind of careful, because sometimes rodents like to make their little hidey holes in there, and you end up getting a little surprise. You'll see where the rats make nests in here, and I've even heard of even snakes finding their way in here and just curling up in there. Never seen that myself, but I have seen all type of weird stuff. Napkins, you know, all type of weird stuff in there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together, and then we're gonna take a listen and see how it improved. All right, just stick around, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera. Installation, reverse of how you took it off, and that's it. So give me a minute, let me put it back together, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have the blower motor installed again, and we're gonna turn it on. Ooh, a lot more quieter now. Oh yeah. Even if you touch right here, the vibration is not as bad. It improved some, but you could definitely hear the difference. Major improvement. I don't know if you guys can appreciate it in the video, but I can. Well, that's how you fix this problem. Very simple, quick repair. Again, some vehicles are more difficult than others. It varies from year, make, model. But if you have unusual noise accompanied by some vibration coming out of your blower motor when you turn on your AC, chances are that you have trash, leaves, napkins, rodents. Who knows? But yeah, definitely have something in there, and you need to get it out. So that's how you repair this particular problem. You just drop it, clean it, put it back in there, and you're good to go. Well guys, like and subscribe. I hope you find this useful, and I will catch you on the next video.